If you're a FERS employee who is just tired and ready to be done, I get it. I talk with a lot of people who feel the same way, and I often see people retire on the wrong side of a key FERS rule and end up with a permanently worse outcome than if they had just waited a few more months. So the big mistake here is retiring on the wrong side of a key FERS rule. I had someone tell me, I'm done, I'm leaving this summer, I just can't take it anymore. And when we looked at their record, they were only a few months away from hitting a key FERS milestone that would change everything. Under regular FERS rules, some of the big cliff points for an immediate retirement are reaching your minimum retirement age with 30 years of service, age 60 with 20 years, or age 62 with at least 5 years. There are special rules for certain positions, but we'll stick with the standard ones here for now. Now, here's the issue. If you leave before you qualify for an immediate retirement under one of those combinations, you might be looking at a permanent age reduction to your pension in some situations, or needing a deferred retirement instead of an immediate one. That can mean no FEHB in retirement and delayed income. So let us walk through a simple example. Let us say if you are 59 years and 9 months old with 20 years of service, and you just want out. So you're counting the days, right? But if you wait 3 more months and retire at age 60 with 20 years, you can qualify under that 60 with 20 rule. That could be the difference between a permanently reduced or deferred benefit today versus an immediate benefit with continued health care and no age penalty. So over a 25-year retirement, that kind of difference can easily add up to tens of thousands of dollars, plus the value of having FEHB in place the entire time. So this is not just about 1 month of income, it's about the structure of your benefits for the rest of your life. So let us tie this back to the main question. How do you keep from accidentally giving away a big chunk of your FERS pension? One big way is to not let your emotional urge to retire ignore the FERS rules. Being tired of the job is real. I get it. I'm not minimizing that, but you don't want that feeling to cost you for the rest of your life. So here's what I suggest. Before you circle a date on the calendar, confirm which FERS category you fall under and what rules will apply if you leave at different points in the next year or two. Ask, if I wait 3 or 6 months, does that move me into a better category? Does it protect my FEHB, or does it remove an age reduction? Once you see those answers in black and white, you can still decide to leave when you want, but the difference is now you're leaving on purpose, knowing the trade-offs, instead of finding out after the fact you missed a key rule by a few months. If you're a federal employee within about 5 to 10 years of retirement and you're not 100% sure when you can retire or what your real paycheck will be, I made something for you. It's called your Federal Retirement Readiness Blueprint Guide. It's a free step-by-step workbook that walks you through the 7 key steps: verifying your service time, estimating your net FERS pension, stacking your income from the pension, TSP, and Social Security, making sense of FEHB and Medicare, and checking the survivor picture for your spouse. If you set aside about an hour with this guide, a pen, and your statements, you'll have a much clearer idea of when you can retire and what your actual take-home paycheck will look like, rather than depending on just the gross numbers from an HR estimate. So here's what to do next. Click the link below this video and download the guide for free. You'll get instant access. And if, as you go through it, you decide you'd like help running your exact numbers, on that same page, you'll also see a spot to request a free Federal Retirement Blueprint call with me. On that call, we'll put your FERS pension, TSP, Social Security, FEHB, and taxes onto one clear page so you can see if you're truly ready to retire and what your real paycheck will be. So start by grabbing the guide at the link below, and then if you want help applying it to your situation, request your blueprint call and we'll walk through it together.